Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Coffee Bean Rewards app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Coffee Bean Rewards app is a loyalty and mobile ordering platform designed to make every coffee run more convenient and rewarding. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows users to browse the full coffee bean and tea leaf menu, customize drinks, and order ahead for quick pickup. The highlight of the app is its rewards program, which lets you earn points with every purchase, redeem them for free drinks and bakery items, and enjoy exclusive offers. Users can also find nearby locations, view store hours, and save their favorite orders for faster checkouts. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean design, smooth ordering process, and regular reward opportunities. The ability to pay directly through the app and track points in real time adds to the convenience. However, some users have mentioned minor issues such as login errors or slow loading during busy hours. Additionally, reward expiration dates can be a downside for casual customers who don't visit often. In summary, the Coffee Bean Rewards app may be worth using if you frequently visit Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf and want to earn rewards, order ahead, and stay updated on exclusive promotions. However, if you're not a regular customer or prefer in-store ordering without an account, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.